Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add a contact on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Telegram application. Once you open that, make sure that you have a Telegram account. Now from this interface, from the upper left corner of your screen, you will see three-line icon. Tap on there. A dialog box will pop up. Then again tap on contacts. You will land on your contact page. Now to add a new contact, from the bottom right corner of your screen, you will see add icon. Tap on there. A dialog box will pop up that says new contact. First of all, enter the first name of the contact that you want to add. Again, type in the last name. Under that, first of all, provide the country code. After that, enter the correct number. Once you're done with that, tap on create contact. And here, if the contact is not on Telegram yet, first of all you have to invite them to join the Telegram. So if you want to invite them, tap on invite, and in here you can invite that account through WhatsApp or Truecaller message or Signal. So go with the anyone that you're comfortable with. With that, you will be able to invite that contact, and once that contact accept your invitation, then you will be able to add that contact on Telegram. So that's how you can add a contact on Telegram. I hope this tutorial will help you, and do not forget to subscribe our channel, like the video and hit the notification bell icon so that you will not miss any other further updates from our channel the next time we post more tutorial. That's all for today. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.